guys, there is a bit of deja vu today. About 3 years ago, nearly to the day, about maybe 300 metres that way, we had both bulldozers bogged. Now thankfully we've only got one bulldozer bogged this time, but it is on our neighbour's place, and it is, you just can't trust it. Can't trust this soil. You think you're good, and then all of a sudden you're not. So Phil was meandering back from a job he was doing. He's been here for a few weeks. He was meandering along, and that's what happened. That's
I've got to fess up to Matt.
Yeah, I think
nothing like a bit of YouTube just to keep you honest, eh? Well, it's not just Brad that can bog it.
Well,
I'm just trying to do him proud. So
he did a good job.
Well, probably not good enough.
No. Well, I did say before. I said, like, Brad, he bogs stuff a lot, but when Phil does bog it, it's pretty good.
So what I did was, it was at night, so I don't recommend travelling along a road at night when you can't see out the front.
And most of the lights aren't working.
And I had the ute in front guiding me.
Yeah.
And I was staring along, just cruising along probably 8 k's, and I just got off just right on the edge of that road there, and it just started to go down, and I just stopped it before it spun, and I'm like, they'll do. And it hasn't, it's been here for a few days, and it hasn't, see how it's just touching the back there?
Oh yeah,
kissing.
Yeah,
but this track hasn't sunk down, and it's sort of up the front, it's starting to climb out a bit. So we're just, like, I think the D8 would probably nearly get me out, but I just,
if it doesn't, if I haven't shown them yet, but if it doesn't get you out, you only get one shot, don't you?
Yeah, and this is spewy country, so like as you can see here, it looks dry.
Yeah.
And then, you know, over here it's wet.
It's just can't, I'd said before, you just can't trust this soil. It bites you in the backside every time.
Like an aquifer.
So
the ground.
Yeah. So basically we got the D11, a D8 and a D6, and then 2 tractors. So
85D here too.
Yep. So it'll we're basically using all the neighbours.
I just noticed it's all
cat. It is too.
You need a cat to get you out.
Yeah. So we weren't game to bring the other D11 here, were we?
No,
not repeat last time.
Right, anyway.
So
anyway, well, what I'm trying to do is, hopefully I don't have to spin the tracks and they can pop me out.
Should go pretty easily, but that's wishful thinking. But righto, well, I'm going to set some cameras up. We'll get some drone shots of it and see if it all goes to plan. So if you're also wondering, we'll put some links up to those other videos of when the 2 dozers were bogged, and you can have a look at them. Excuse the, I hope it's lower quality video. I hope I've improved since then, but that was fairly intense and interesting. So we'll see how this all goes. Well guys, just to prove it's not a setup, I only got here in the nick of time to catch that, so there wasn't a whole lot of setup time, but very impressive, very impressive. That's it's filled in with dirt mostly too, so that was very interesting. So I'll show you here. Whoa, I just went down. Oh, that's like quicksand. Very much so, very much like quicksand. Well Phil, it came out. And it went back in.
Yeah, we've got another K to go, so we'll just see.
Yeah.
Yeah, the saving grace was the other side was staying up.
Yeah.
And it wasn't on the belly plate, so that was
yeah, the problem is because one track was up, if you had to keep putting power in, you would have been steering even more off, which wasn't going well.
No, that's the thing, without any help, you just go straight into the bog.
Yes. I'll see if you get bogged again. Go top gear, flat out. Go for it.
What would you rate it on Brad's Bogged?
Oh, Brad's Bogged rating. Oh, look, we didn't need another D11, so I'd say that's a 6 or 7 out of 10. Anyway, they're still going to sort of get through a bit of a crossing where it did get bogged 3 years ago. Well guys, that'll conclude the video I think, but there's all a nice lineup here of cat machinery, so I'll do a bit of a comparison. So here's a D6, the top of the track's at about my neck. D8, top of the track's at the top of my head. Let's go for a walk over here. This one, oh there's Phil. And this one, I'm doing a size comparison. So that one is way up there. I can't quite reach the top of the track. So, should be pretty good now I think. I don't think there's any more bug holes, but I'm sure, yeah, we can always find them. I hope he's going forward. It's actually interesting just comparing the size of the final drives. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed that. That was very spur of the moment. Capture whatever footage I can. Bit of fun. I know we'll look back at that and laugh in the future. So hope you enjoyed it guys. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.